Thanks for joining me at the Curve Archive. Let's say I'm a high school student who wants to learn more about LGBTQ history. We'll start by clicking the search bar on the upper right corner of the page. Now we'll search. I'm putting in Lesbian Avengers so I can learn about the legendary political action group focused on lesbian visibility. This leads us to a result page showing all of the issues where Lesbian Avengers was mentioned in the text. Let's choose this one. We're going to click on the issue text and press Command F to find all mentions of Lesbian Avenger within this issue. This will automatically make it jump directly to wherever it was mentioned in the magazine. As you can see, there's an article on page 26 called She Recruits, all about Lesbian Avengers. Next, we're going to learn about how to search by browsing. You can search by special issues. This will show you Pride issues, anniversary issues, music issues, etc. As you can see, here are all of the Pride issues. You can also search by subject heading. If you click on one of these headings, it will show you issues that have content relating to this subject heading. So lesbian political activists will show you issues that include content relating to lesbian political activists. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your journey learning more about LGBTQ history in the Curve Archive.